Hey guys, welcome to another video of 5th Generation Aussie Farmer. Back at it again with another video. I've got my drone with me. So today we are harvesting some lucerne. So not that far away from home, and about to drive over there to record some footage, as it is a pretty good day today with no wind or raining or anything, but it's a good day to go record some harvesting lucerne. So yeah, tune in. Case 8010, and we've modified it to harvest this type of lucerne. I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry it wasn't that long because the wind was playing up a little bit with the drone, and it was just deciding to go backwards, so which wasn't ideal. But I did get some footage which was good, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, and also comment and tune in for my next video. Thanks for watching.